Up there to the top is actually a very huge lake. Bạn em ai vẽ chị ơi? Vâng ạ. Hi, good morning. So in today's video, I will bring you to the Silver Waterfall. That is about 15 kilometers away from here, but it's kind of very hard to find the navigation. As you can see, the weather today is super blur and misty. Yeah, look at this. Okay, but fortunately, I'm a local guide in here, so that's the reason why you know, I read Sapa just like a book. So let's stick until the end of the video and see is the Silver Waterfall worth it to go or not. So to go for the waterfall, I need a motorbike. So with this kind of motorbike, you actually can find it in Sapa for about $5 a day, including gasoline. So $5 US for sure. Yeah, and sometimes you be pulled over by the traffic wardens and to check your driving license. And yeah, as long as you wear helmets and drive on the right. Okay. Wow, there's a car standing in the middle of the road. Yeah, so if you are someone like me who don't know how to drive, if you want a driver who will drive you, so don't hesitate to contact me, and I'll be sending someone to drive you. With me, everything is very easy. The safety is always come first, you know. It's surprisingly that the weather is getting better. I can see, I think it's because of the elevation. Right now we are on about 1,600 meters above sea level. Yeah, still very misty, but I just now saw the sun side, and you know, the weather is changing a little bit. Yeah, let's see today we get lucky or not. That's Sapa, you know, everything is so capricious, so changing. Yeah, right now I can see the blue sky on the other side. The road is a little bit bumpy, but it's fine. It is so much fun. If you guys first time try this experience, it is so different. Up here they found a lot of things, gardens, and the green tea underneath. All the houses here living beside the mountains, and a lot of landslides in the back of the house, of their household. It looks kind of scary. I remember in the 𝐵𝐷𝐷𝐿 typhoon just 3 months ago, destroyed, and we had over 100 landslide spots in Sapa. So dangerous. There's a factory over here. Hopefully the weather gets any better, that we can be able to record. Yeah, it's just like a mysterious place. Now it's completely sunny. Okay, I think we get lucky today. With a motorbike, you can be able to travel to many different provinces in the northwest of Vietnam. So, for example, if you start from Hanoi, you also can rent a scooter or something like that, and pack everything and prepare about 2 here is 𝐊𝐶𝐾 province, then to the other province, 𝐊𝐶𝐃, and you're finished. Okay, I've never done that before, but I've heard so much positive comments about that one. So if you can be able to do that, please tell me. I really want to see and hear from your experience. Alright, so from here we can see from the very far. It's very misty, but on the top of the mountain, that is Silver Waterfall. That is where we are heading to. Yeah, see on the top the mountain? Actually very misty right now. I cannot show you, but let's go closer. Here we come. That is the one. Okay, so we're gonna walk on to the half of the waterfall, and let's see, is it worth it? Mà nay mai vẽ chị ơi. Vâng ạ. À quên một vé thôi chứ, em hướng dẫn quên mất là. So the ticket over here is 20,000 per ticket, and the ticket is very huge. Just now I bought one of that for my driver, and I am a local guide, so that's the reason why I have a FOC free of charge ticket. Okay, so this is the Silver Waterfall. Yeah, and this is the view on the sides. It's very misty today, and very simple. That's the way down, and that's gonna be the way up. So walking to the middle is not to the top. Okay, so the middle is about 300 steps, and then at the moment it is not much water at the waterfall. So the best time to visit this kind of waterfall is should be in the monsoon season, and that is May, June, July in Vietnam. So that you see a lot of water, and you can see the water flushing, and it creates a very it's just like very misty and something like that. Okay, so all the water here is very clean, and you can see some pipe. I reckon that's the pipe for the fish farm down there. Okay, so that's the way we're gonna go up. Kind of tired. After a few steps, we now can see a lot of barbecue shop underneath. Yeah, it looks yeah, very nice up here. So maybe later we're gonna try some kind of pork, dry pork or dry buffalo meat. It is really delicious. People here, we just you know, that's the way we actually keep the meat for long. Like, we don't normally have some kind of fridge or things like that to keep it warm, to keep it for long. So we just marinate all the meat that we have, and then we put on the burner to smoke it. Yeah, and day by day the meat becomes solid, so and very tasty. When you want to eat it, you just need to rehydrate it, or you need to hammer to break it. Okay, kind of tired. Yeah, all the way up, but it's okay. Yeah, we are here for a holiday, so out there is where local people farm artichoke. No, it's not artichoke. This one is cardamom. Yeah, cardamom is very nice. Ooh, okay, it's so peaceful in here. You can hear the sounds from the water on the side, and it's very chill in here. Sometimes I can hear the sounds from the birds, some kind of animals, and it's a very good place to read a book. Yeah. So now we keep going up there, about 200 steps. Then that is where the silver waterfall is. Very green. Yeah, this cardamoms. Yeah, I can see some of the cardamoms is blooming. Okay, the way up is kind of tiring. Yeah, so if you meet the difficulties in going up, so I think you can do it slowly, maybe every 10 steps. Gotta get a break. Yeah, I can see tourists on the other side. I reckon they go with a tour, just like me. So if you want to book a local tour guide, so here I am. Silver waterfall, everybody. Here we go. Okay. So we just need to go up there to the bridge. So the total of the walk is only 15 minutes. And you spend another 15 minutes to relax. Yeah, this the notice that shouldn't climb over the handrail, otherwise you'll be down there. Yeah, it's recent up there. Silver waterfall. Silver waterfall. Yeah, I forgot to mention, the ticket of it is 20,000 Vietnam dong. 20,000. A lot of circles. But it's only less than US dollars. Yeah, waterfall. If you are a nature lover, you definitely want to go to the waterfall and things like that. In Sapa, we totally have 3 different waterfalls. The first one is the 𝐶𝐿 waterfall, but that one, it is not very tall. It's only maybe only 10 meters tall, but this one is more than 100 meters tall, 10 times bigger. That's just the top of the waterfall, and down there is the bottom. Yeah, it's kind of tiring to go up here. You know, it's not a joke. Whew. Okay, check this out. It's very nice to see the clouds moving underneath. Yeah. I hope that I could have brought my camera. Up there to the top is actually a very huge lake. That's where to provide the water for all Sapa citizens. 9,500 people. And to go up there, I had been up there twice. But we have to walk all the way into the bush and then to the rooftop. Very tiring. Yeah, look at this bridge. Yeah, it's kind of dangerous for the kids. If you have kids, you better to keep an eye for your kids as well, otherwise you'll go down there. Bad. Welcome to Silver Waterfall, Sapa, everybody. Okay, we're now on the top of the waterfall, on top of the world. mountainous area with the clouds drifting. Whew. So it's about to finish, and I'd like to say thank you very much for watching. And if you are curious about anything in Sapa, about the tourism, for sure, don't hesitate to leave me a comment in the description, and I'm happy to see that. And if you want to book a tour or something, or rent a motorbike, also can contact me through WhatsApp underneath. And if you want maybe a driver who drive you to this place, car or motorbike, everything is possible. Okay, so I'm gonna see you in the next one.